So here we go. It would be an absolute miracle if we will not get stopped out of our marvelous long on S&P that came to reversal zone. Would be an absolute miracle. That's the reason why I named our proprietary Fibonacci levels reversal zone, to make it clear to all the visitors, to everybody who is watching my trades recordings. This is powerful confirmation. Nothing in this world is random. And if you're paying attention to the price, you know and respect this level dearly. As it spells out, bullish trade is extremely tired. Do not ever ignore this level. 2.5 points later, price cannot break through this level 15 minutes later. Pay attention to my next levels. If S&P blasting through 2075.50, my trade migrates into daily chart, but one step at a time. And again, picture perfect reminder, as I always remind you, adore and respect decision point 2 on S&P. S&P respects this level like no other instrument I had ever seen. But do not ever ignore the end of the minor trend decision point 1. We entered right outside of this level, knowing extremely well what not to enter into. Oil, unlike S&P, staged the same bullish push to the upside, but so far struggling immensely. Reminding you, do you know where the end of the minor trend is? Do you respect this level? Oil is trying again currently to blast through this level. But pay attention to the fight on S&P. Reversal zone 1 still respected, just like reversal zone still respected on oil daily. Reminding you, formula remains the same. What you trade is completely your choice. What's appropriate for you and your account size, only you know and you will identify. Both shown you the importance of decision point 2. Very crucial Fibonacci support level on S&P, as S&P respects this level like no other instrument. Finally, S&P blasted through decision point 2, where fight played out for 6 hours. Finally, we entered outside of this level, and our price is currently 3.5 points later, stuck at reversal zone 2. Oil, drastically different structure. We saw extremely well that buyers are not powerful enough to break through the end of the minor trend. That's extremely darn late short on oil. Are you clear? The difference. What separates knowledgeable trader from the trader who takes speculative trades. This is the magic of the rules, and that's what I love to see. That's why I said to you, oil has the least of my interest. Extremely darn aggressive short. S&P is what we're interested in, because guess what? At any moment I will be looking to buy oil. As rules that has no number in a play. Don't you love that? Alphys, let's talk. S&P from reversal zone 2. Remember what we discussed? 2075 is the key. 2075 finding selling pressure as expected. 4 points later, S&P cannot break through. Poor price. Oil struggling to break through the end of the minor trend, as I explained to you. Extremely aggressive, extremely early buy on oil. Extreme caution. That's precisely why I said to you that very late short, expect not much from it. That's why your focus should be on S&P. But S&P had found selling pressure from 2074.50. And that's the magic of the price. At any moment I may be shorting S&P. Sellers picking up this theme. 2075 was not broken. reversal zone was respected highly. Is everybody clear on that? And that's the magic of the price. Price tells you everything you need to know far in advance, where these crucial target levels are, what to enter, and where to take profits off the table. Reversal zone 2 was reached, 2074.50, but 2075 was not broken to the upside. Even if you took extremely late buy on S&P, that is 3 points later. And that's the power of the price. And as expected, oil not able to break through the end of the minor trend. I had shown you very aggressive and very early buy. Let's monitor oil. Let's see if buyers capable of continuing further up. Showtime on oil. Will oil finally blast through the end of the minor trend? But you remember what has happened on S&P, correct? Do you remember? One step at a time. Next level, 64.38. Adjust your trail on oil and respect and adore 64.38, would you? You witness what happened on S&P when price came to reversal zone. And give yourself a favor. Adjust your stop to 64.25. Magic happens if you play by the rules. Are you clear? I said to you it was very late short. We're only interested in buyers. And it was pretty darn aggressive long. My knowledgeable students waiting for more conservative point of entry on larger time frame. I'm just showing you the power of the price. Thank you, Gordon. Thank you so much. So marvelous to see you. So, ladies and gentlemen, adjust your trail to 64.35. And that's what I teach and that's what I do. I have space open only to new students, Support is telling me right now only one space left. That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. The same marvelous rally S&P had staged, oil finally picked up this steam, correct? I told you that was such an extremely aggressive short. No worries. My beautiful, amazing students will catch that right on a larger time frame with drastically more powerful targets. Pay attention to what happens next. 64.76 on hourly still remains in major trouble. My price is currently in reversal zone. Reversal zone 2, the same thing as happened on S&P, where S&P had found selling pressure. Is it possible the same thing as S&P done in reversal zone 2? Oil is doing in reversal zone 2. How marvelous is price. Price tells you everything you need to know. And price reminds you, adore and respect the reversal zone. And don't buy at these levels. By the time you come to reversal zone, you are in significant profit. That's simple. No need to make trading complicated. Oil is reversing, just like S&P had done. Happy Monday, everybody. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. That's all that matters, and that's all you need. And that's precisely why I named these levels reversal zone. The same thing as you witnessed on very small time frame on oil to the upside, where oil keeps finding buyers in reversal zone on daily. You've been shorting oil on daily, you know better. Shorting here, way too late. Just like oil to the upside reminding you, buying randomly in reversal zone is such a bad idea. We would have pretty big problem with reversal zone. That's where our long had ended. And that's a picture perfect reminder. Respect and adore Fibonacci levels. Respect and adore reversal zones. And if you know what price is telling you, You can trade any instrument and any time frame. We'll take a look on that long on Google. Shorey and I had been discussed since yesterday. Oil Shmoil long trade came to reversal zone and finding selling pressure to the tick. As expected, that's what reversal zone means. May do quite a bit of a dance from this level. So again, reminder, we took this long because reversal zone finally had been reached. Reversal zone to the upside on my very small chart is reached as well. Will the price break through reversal zone to the upside? As you're witnessing, formula remains the same. It doesn't matter if you trade hourly. If you took hourly to the downside, I warned you it was way too late to short oil. Your short was from 66 latest, not here. And here's the buyers. Will they blast through? If my price blasting through 63.72, my trade migrates to a larger time frame. That simple and that pure. Reversal zone 2, just like previous two trades on S&P and oil. Major problem. Oil still cannot break through this level. This is trade number 4 today. Again, the same formula. Where oil short trend on hourly came to reversal zone. Where oil short trend on daily came to reversal zone. Major problem. Our trade to the upside came to 63.65 and was not able to break through. Correct? Know your levels, know where reversal zone is, and know where to take profits off the table. That pure and that simple. Let's update the results. So we've taken 2 more trades on oil, correct? What have we done on oil? What have I warned you? The previous trade, we've done 22 trades. The previous trade I spelled out to you very clearly. I don't expect it to break through decision point 164 area. It made it to that level, correct? You witnessing this trade made it to reversal zone. Is everybody clear on that? There we go. Reversal zone is reached. That's very crucial level. So as you're witnessing the difference between knowledge and between the levels. When I'm bored out of my mind and market stuck in counter trend structure, the trade that I shown you that made it to decision point 164 level, I had shown you it is the end of the minor trend. It is the major obstacle. Respect and adore that level. And that's exactly what has happened. And we've done only 1 marvelous long trade on S&P. So far in the room this month, 8 trades on S&P, 1 negative, and 22 trades on oil. Out of 30 trades, only 3 negative trades. 90%? How predictable. If you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. But those 3 negative trades were darn aggressive trades. Have a marvelous afternoon. Look forward to seeing you in a bootcamp. Just to remind you, that's where our lovely bullish rally had ended at 2075 on S&P daily. Next level on S&P reversal zone 2093, where 3 of our trades had ended. All the levels spelled out by the price since months ago. Another trade in reversal zone. Reversal zone to the upside in a play. Will oil finally blast through? I highly doubt it, but this is the magic of the puzzle. Another trade where we've been only long from, struggling to break through reversal zone. The dance is on. My trade blasted through all the targets and finally migrating into larger time frame expansion. Next level on my lovely trade is 63.59. So today we accomplished way too many trades on oil. So far this month, 23 trades, 21 positive. On S&P, 8 trades, 7 positive. S&P tested you today to the core of your knowledge. My marvelous long trade on oil sitting very pretty in reversal zone. Next level 63.71. But you're witnessing extremely crucial and powerful rules. An extremely magnificent dance once again. If you know what reversal zone means, you know what not to enter into. You know where to monitor for reversal. And as expected, to the upside, we went into a larger wave expansion. And as expected, rules that has no number in a play. So have a marvelous afternoon, everybody. I will do much shorter video later today. We are off for a trade recap and we are off to the class. Remember, trading room closed as of Thursday for Fibonacci trading.